Alright guys, welcome to Sunday Fun Day. I know I missed an episode, but I kind of went rogue on you guys. I went and I have absolutely got all my money invested. I went and bought some stocks. I bought 1 share of Verizon, 1 share of ExxonMobil, and then also 1 share of Energy Transfer LP. That was the last $13 I had, so that's the only stock I could afford that was on one of my lists to buy, or that I was paying attention to. Just real quick to explain why I bought each one. I really wanted to buy Sunoco because the gas station is a Sunoco that's down the road from us. But Sunoco's price went over the limit that I wanted to pay for the stock, only by a little bit. And but I decided I don't want to pay over a certain amount of price due to the high and low range of the stock, because I feel like mentally it would bother me if it was in the red a lot. So I ended up buying ExxonMobil because the price point for that, where it was at currently compared to what it's been for the last few months or the last 6 months, it was way below that amount. Plus the dividend was a little bit more. It is almost twice as expensive, but the dividend's really good, and that stock is also a dividend aristocrat, which means it's a good company for the most part. But that's a topic for another video. I bought 1 share of Verizon. We use Verizon for our cell phones. So basically, Verizon was right around 60 bucks. So I bought 1 share of that, and I bought that for... It's so cold that my thumb's not working on my phone. What did I buy Verizon for? I bought 1 share of Verizon for $59. And then also Verizon will pay every year... Verizon will pay me $2.46, which that in turn means a dividend yield of 4.1%, which means that's a 4% return basically on your 60 bucks, which is pretty good. You put your money in the bank, you won't get 4% on 60 bucks. You know, especially if you put 60 bucks into the bank and there's no way you're going to make $2.46. I don't care what savings account you put it in. So with that, with these purchases, my goal is, which I'm going to share in another video, but basically my thought process for all the purchases I have on the screen right here is that Unilever is the maker of the soap I use, so I will be able to have Unilever pay me dividends, and I will be able to buy soap with dividends. The Verizon, eventually, I hope to be able to make enough money in dividends from Verizon to pay the cell phone bill. So basically, I will be getting those things for free when I get older. Also, the OXLC is just because of the monthly dividend. These people pay a monthly dividend. Plus, I only had $92 to invest for that one, and I wanted to take my pop can money, put the whole pop can money into one fund, and I'm not going to add to this fund as much as I want to. I'm not going to add to this fund for the whole year, and then at the end of the year, we're going to see how much my $92 is worth. The total price wasn't $92. It was... I think it was 91 something. Yeah, I spent $91.19 on this. And currently, I mean, it's at $98.01. So, but those are unrealized gains. So, the neat thing will be is every month they're going to pay a dividend, and then plus hopefully it'll grow in value anyways, and then we'll add it up at the end of the year. So make sure you subscribe for that. The ExxonMobil. The reason I bought ExxonMobil is because the dividend is fairly good, and it was trading below. It basically seems like it's on sale. Like, let me show you right here. See this purple line right here? The purple line represents the past 180 days, the price value. So like it's way below that. As far as I know, who knows why it's like that. But I do know that they pay a $3.48 dividend, which is a 5% return. On my almost $70. So that's pretty good. The other reason I also bought this is because ExxonMobil donates a ridiculous amount of money to the STEM program, which is actually the program that the boys are in at school. So basically, as of right now, if we, I mean, without investing in ExxonMobil, the boys are getting something from ExxonMobil. But basically, they're already getting some of their schooling through ExxonMobil, so they seem like they're a good company from what I can tell. And if you buy Mobil gasoline, I mean, that's who makes your gas. So there's a couple gas stations we stop at. So hopefully this will all work out well for us. But it makes me feel good that I know that the company not only pays a good dividend, but it reinvests its money into the STEM program, which you may not have known. And then the Energy Transfer LP company, same thing. That I had like $16 left to invest, but these guys they pay $1.22 dividend, which is a 9% return, which is really high. But the one thing I kind of looked at in here is their earnings per share at the moment is $1.22.7, and then their dividend is $1.22 also. So that means as long as their earnings per shares, they can cover their dividend. Who knows which way that's going to go. But as you look through all of the times, it's kind of trading really high. So I don't know. That's just what I picked. But my goal is for this year, I basically want to get $1,200 invested, like fully invested into the stock market. I chose these funds right here. I'm at a point where I'm either going to, like right here it says, you know, like I basically have almost deposited $300 in there so far, which basically was money that was laying around the house. It was the money from the closet in the, oh, actually the pop can money was $10. I haven't done anything with that yet. But basically, the money I bought the OXLC was actually the money that was sitting in the closet from change. But basically, I want to get $1,200 invested, so that basically means I have $900 more to deposit. I'm either going to do one of two things. I'm either going to add to the funds I have right here on my phone. You know, just keep adding shares as the price goes down or whatever every so often. The other thing I may do is just try to deposit the entire amount into in there as soon as I can and buy like 4 more stocks that I want to buy this year. And the neat thing right now that the reason I'm kind of debating on just putting all my money in there is one thing that's nice with Webull is they randomly will do a promotional thing where if you do something, you'll get free stocks from them. So like right now, they have, if you deposit $500 into your account, they're going to give you 3 free stocks at a value of, let me see real quick if I can get this going here. Yeah, so right now they have the promotion to get 3 free stocks between 115 and 131. You get a possibility of getting 3 free stocks. And the value of the stocks will be $9 to $1,000. So you could get a really good company out of this deal. I may end up taking money out of my savings account and just depositing it to get the 3 free stocks. Because the thing is I'm going to deposit $500 anyways through the rest of the year. I mean, I'm going to deposit $900. So if I can deposit $500 and get 3 free stocks, I mean, that's free money. I don't know too many other brokerages that offer those kind of deals. So that's another reason I like Webull. But that's what I did this week. As you can see here, I mean, as of right now, I mean, I have $2.48 it's not invested. And then I have $8.15 of unrealized gains. So basically, if I was to cash all my money out right now, I would have made $8.17, which is a 2% return, which is better than what you get in the bank. I technically haven't made any money because I haven't received any dividends, and I haven't sold any stocks yet. So technically, they're all, it's not really making money yet. But it does make me I feel super happy about it because this has been fairly simple to do. Like I literally took money that was either just sitting in the bank or took money that was sitting in my closet and now it's sitting here making money theoretically. Hopefully pretty soon I'll get a dividend from one of my stocks, and then I will literally be making some money. But if you do want, if you want to start investing with Webull, there's a link down in the description below, which is an affiliate link, which means I do get compensated in the form of free stocks. The good thing is if you click the link, register an account, and then also fund the account, you get 2 free stocks. If you just decide I want to use the paper trading feature, which I've talked about in previous videos, where you can learn how to trade stocks or pretend to trade stocks with real life gains and losses, you can click the link and just make an account, and then you will get a free stock anyways. So basically, as long as you create an account, you get a free stock by clicking the link. So that's nice of them to do that for you, to at least get you started. But so I don't make this video too long, hope this was helpful, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next Sunday Fun Day. Thanks for watching.